Welcome back to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast, everyone. Today, we're tackling a topic that plagues many organizations, the hidden costs of reactive maintenance. Joining me to shed some light and offer solutions is Alex, a maintenance management and IoT expert. Alex, welcome to the show. Chidio.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's a pleasure to be here.
Let's jump right in. Alex, we all know reactive maintenance fixing things when they break. But what are the hidden costs that many managers might not be considering?
That's a great question, Bruce. The most obvious cost is downtime. Every minute a machine is out of action is lost productivity. But it goes way beyond that. There's the cost of emergency repairs, which are always more expensive than planned maintenance. You've got potential safety hazards, unhappy customers if it's affecting production or services. The domino effect can be significant.
Absolutely. And what about the impact on morale? Technicians are constantly scrambling to fix breakdowns instead of focusing on preventative measures.
Exactly. It creates a stressful environment, and technician burnout is a real problem.
Those are some serious considerations. So, how does investing in a CMMS change the game?
CMMS is a game changer for several reasons. First, it allows maintenance managers to shift from a reactive to a proactive maintenance strategy. This means scheduling regular maintenance based on time or usage, which can prevent failures before they occur. CMMS also provides valuable data analytics, offering insights into equipment performance and maintenance trends. This data can drive more informed decision-making, optimizing maintenance schedules, and even predicting when equipment might fail.
It sounds like CMMS not only helps avoid the pitfalls of reactive maintenance, but also turns maintenance into a strategic asset. Can you give us an example of how IoT technologies integrate with CMMS to enhance maintenance strategies further?
Certainly. IoT technologies like sensors and smart devices collect real-time data on equipment conditions. This data can be fed into a CMMS, enabling truly predictive maintenance. For instance, by monitoring vibration levels, temperature, or wear and tear, the system can alert managers to potential issues before they lead to failure. This integration can drastically reduce downtime and maintenance costs, all while improving safety and efficiency.
Sounds like a win-win for everyone involved. But Alex, some might be thinking, CMMS sounds great, but it's too complex or expensive for my organization. What would you say to them?
There are CMMS solutions designed for businesses of all sizes and budgets. The key is finding one that fits your specific needs. And trust me, the initial investment pales compared to the long-term cost savings and improved efficiency a CMMS can deliver.
I couldn't agree more. Alex, this has been incredibly insightful. Where can we find additional resources for our listeners who want to learn more about CMMS solutions?
The Cryotos website has a wealth of information on CMMS and how it can benefit your organization. You can also explore case studies and demos.
Fantastic. We'll include the link in the show notes. Thanks again for joining us today, Alex.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's been a pleasure.
This has been the hidden costs of reactive maintenance, why investing in CMMS pays off, on the Cryotos Maintenance Management channel. Until next time, maintain on.